We're in the garage with Project Dyna, aka the cocaine train, and we are taking off the handlebars, sticking these buttes on it. Oh yeah, some nice 12-inch pullback T-bars, internally wired, just what you want. Aren't them bloody wires? Also on the list, Memphis shades. They've sent a right package. That's an angle and a half, isn't it? Oh my god. So we've got one Road Warrior fairing. Oh yeah. Obviously that's going white to match the bike. Also in here, they package it well, I'll tell you that. That's the taller of the screens. And then there's a shorter one there for when I'm feeling fruity. Absolute banging mounting kit. These are proper quality. So that goes to your fairing. That goes on your bike. So we've also got hand guards. These hand guards, oh my god, get ready, get ready. Clear, fantastic. I might stick them on actually, I'm feeling them. Memphis Shades Ghost. I've never done a handlebar swap before. Never even took the tank off one of these. So took the tank off a Sportster, never off a Dyna or a Softail because they have that crossover pipe. But it's fairly simple, really. So what I do have is some extra lead. I've got to do the wiring, so I've had to buy a Deutsch tool. Now apparently this is just to pick the end of the connectors for the electrics off, and then there's a pick on the other side to pull the connectors out themselves. And I've been told on these Dynas there's probably an extra 8-inch of lead wiring loom underneath that tank, so I don't have to solder or extend or anything, because I'm only putting 12 inches on. Uprated bushes, because I'm going to need that. And then got to install my Quadlock in there as well, my actual wiring for my Quadlock, so there's going to be a lot of crap going off underneath that tank. Right, the tank is nearly ready to come off. I'm not happy about this morning. Look at this. Should have been dirty, We'll get some cleaned up while it's off. So unhooked all that, took this off, 2 bolts hanging it on, 1 there, 2 there, undone this, undone that. There's a wire underneath, fuel cock underneath. Boy, mother of God. She's undone. There seems to be another wire there, which I've got to do. And then, yeah, there's the fun part. So my plan is, I'm actually going to leave the fuel in the tank, and I watched a YouTube video where they crimped one side, bosh, and then the other side, used just a piece of hose. Yeah, I'm just going to throw my tank on there. Yep, let's do it. Like a Boy Scout, look, I'm prepared. Got my sump tray. Let's get ready. Oh my God. Tanks off, tanks off. Ooh yeah, look at the dirt underneath there. I want to spend an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, forever cleaning this crap. Dude. Right, I've got a bit of a clean up. It looks a bit nicer. Look at that. Nice. I just use my, let's have a look. What do I use? Bit of muck off stuff. Yep. Bit of white diamond. Yep. Got in there with one of these. Ah, scrub your balls with that. So I'm going to flip these off and then pull the wires out, and then the connectors, they're in there. So I should be able to pull the connectors through and hook them and then see where we go from there. Don't know if you can see that, but grom it off. And just pull these wires out. That one's for my headlamp. That is the connector, which I'm going to have to use my Deutsch tool on. Slowly get in there, slowly. Oh my god, God, it's like... So there she is. I'm going to polish this up. Now, the next task is I've got to get these bushes out and put some uprated ones in. We're getting there. It was easier than I thought it was. Well, it wasn't. First one was, just hit it and it fell out. So, here's your originals. Black. Well, these are your uprated ones. Oh, heavy duty. It's because I was swinging off them Tbars, I'll tell you. So, for my next trick, piece of string with a nut on the end. I'm going to throw it in there, and then I'm going to swear and kick the crap out of everything until it comes out of here. Who's your dad? Jingle, jingle, jingle. So the next phase of this dumb adventure is to get this piece of pap through there. So I have a tool that takes that off and takes these out. So I've got to take photos of where each one of those goes, trying to remember that one's white and black and one's white and brown. Look, feed them through using my fishing rope weighted system. And it comes out the bottom here, through there, and into there. Hopefully I've just got enough, just enough. Moment of truth with the tool of doom. Deutsch. Flick this end off. Oh. Maybe not that hard. Take that rubber off gently. Fuck's sake. Oh my god. Rubber. And then, I'm taking a photo. I have to use this little pick. Little pick. Apparently. Bosh! I may have done it. One end, that is. Just keep feeding these in. Come on, you slag. Come on. That there is my wires. Oh my god! Right, slowly getting somewhere. Custom Dynamics have come up with some right goodies. So I've got here an LED halo headlamp. That is going to be an absolute beauty. Not only that, I've seen these a few times. And these look the absolute donkeys. LED driving light bar. I'm just going to burn people's retinas. Burn! according to the tutorials, they just push back in there. It's pretty beautiful in there, isn't it? So, this new fancy headlight, I'm having a break from the wiring because it's doing me head in. It's got a 3-pin, so it should go in there. Yeah, it looks alright, bro. Yeah. Whoa. I feel a sense of achievement. Just a small one. Look at how clean that is. Yeah. Oh, fishing line. I am liking this from Custom Dynamics. This is a proper nifty bit of kit. I've seen it on photos of club style bikes. Around here it gets bloody dark pretty quick, so I always want more lights, because the normal lights, they're alright, they're not very good. That, I am going to blow people's heads off with it. Literally blow their heads off. Goes a pillow. Oh yes. Just something about that view. Look at them lights. I'm going to kill people with them lights. Oh dear God. Be like a lightsaber coming down the road. So here's the fun part. So this is the wiring harness for the front LED light. That's the earth. These nifty connectors, they're brilliant. That's got to go on the light circuit, I think. I'll stick it up my arse, it's the bloody battery terminal. Here's my quad lock. Got to wire that on while I'm here. And there's my keys, heated gear. Malarkey. Yeah. So the dirty bitch is all back together pretty much. I'm going to have to extend these wires at some point. Can't do a boss to do it right now. Put the controls on. I've gone down to 1 accelerator. I'm going to have to put a pin in there though. The lock is on. I'll break it. As you can see, boom. Where's the pin? It's just in there. And then if you go onto the shredder, she's on 1 cable as well. Where is your pin? Stop it going back, look. Nice, nice. Batteries had to come out. I've got to get the old quad lock through the back, and then obviously that's for the light on the front, and the ear defenders are obviously because my alarm keeps going off and I'm an idiot. You know, to be fair, if I was being clever, I'd just put all the positives and all the negatives into one and stick it on. But there's a part of me quite likes the carnage. Triggers OCD. Come here, look at that. So we're getting all tank back on. You know the crazy thing is, it's still got fuel in it. Didn't lose any. Awesome. Awesome. I'm just going to plug this side up. Oh my God. Do 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 do. Set the alarm off. Beep beep beep. Hump it. It's the moment. We're going to turn it on, see if it works. Alright mate, alright. Dashboard lights on. That light's on. Oh, look at that, look at that. Yeah. Booty. Indicators. Fuel pump! Oh no, my indicators don't work. Oh, that one does. That one's not working. Tipper bloody call. Oh, the back one's working. It's just that one's not working. That means, have I plugged it in? I need to check the plug. It's in neutral. It even started up on the fumes because I hadn't even connected the 2 tanks, but that's alright, I don't really need that anyway. Speed polish, muck off. I actually love this stuff. It's just so easy. I use it on everything. Sorry, legs. There we go. Yeah. There's my good old Quadlock setup. She is gonna go. It seemed to keep everything on that side of the bike. So, I'm going on this side. Yeah. Ah! Everything. Still kept that seat because, I mean, let's be honest, that seat is beautiful. Yep, Tbars are on. Look at them. Nice. Yeah, baby. Absolute banging. She's a beauty. I'm loving the light from Custom Dynamics as well. And obviously, where's the switch? Put it here somewhere. People are going to die when that hits them in the face. That's just incredible. That is incredible. I switched off for it because of the battery. Yes.